Got planned for 2010, so.
Oh, I'm gonna take over the world.
Okay.
And try to keep Jaaye from wearing pink shirts.
Jaaye, what you got for 2010?
Buy a couple more pink shirts.
Jarim, what about you?
Still in some pink shirts.
And I know what you're gonna do, Ravim.
Nah, I'm just keep doing what I'm doing, working, going to school, taking care of them kids.
I thought you were gonna say design the pink shirt. And Ayo? Defend the pink shirt. Defend his right to wear a pink shirt.
Thanks, exactly.
I'm American.
You got
freedom of speech.
Forever.
You got anything coming up?
Nope, just to move to Germany and that's it.
That's it.